Your Honor, I'm undertaking investigations into a case of stealing, contrary to Section 268 of the Penal Code, and conspiracy to commit a felony, contrary to Section 393 of the Penal Code, involving the theft of 1,316 cartons of SupaMatch cigarettes, each containing 5,000 sticks, from motor vehicle KBN 216 F/Z D0249, loaded on container number LG EU 672 2247, valid OB number 22/14/11/2025, booked at Inland Container Depot, Embakasi. That is ICD Embakasi Police Station. As well as 300 bags of uncustomed sugar, 200 cartons of uncustomed milk, siphoning of 2 trucks, each containing 5,000 liters of suspected uncustomed ethanol, and assorted counterfeit alcoholic drinks deposited at the ICD KRA warehouse in Embakasi. That the respondents were arrested within Nairobi County and were duly informed for the reasons for the arrest. That following the arrest of the respondents, the 5 respondents, 6 mobile phones believed to have been used in planning and executing the said theft were recovered. That investigations primarily arose from the theft of 1,316 cartons of SupaMatch cigarettes from the aforementioned motor vehicle and container. Your Honor, the motor vehicle was intercepted at Isinya within Kajiado County on 20th December 2024. The motor vehicle was escorted to the ICD Embakasi Customs Warehouse for safe custody. On 16th of January, Your Honor, 2025, a joint verification exercise was conducted by KRA officers, customs officers, that is the customs officers, domestic taxes officers, in the presence of the importer, who is John Kariuki KRA, the clearing agent, Daniel Tukai Lenin, and the driver of the motor vehicle, who is Caleb Kimtai Kipto. A further joint verification exercise, Your Honor, was conducted on 14 November 2025 by KRA Investigations and Enforcement Department, Customs Department, KRA Security, KRA Warehouse officials, the Kenya Bureau of Standards, that is KEBS, and the driver of the vehicle, one Caleb Kimtai Kipto. And the verification was basically for valuation purposes. Your Honor, upon breaking the customs seal and offloading of the goods, it was established that the container held 884 cartons, each containing 5,000 sticks of SupaMatch cigarettes, and 200 packets of blue cigarettes, each containing 20 sticks, and the approximate value of the stolen goods is 30 million Kenya shillings. Your Honor, we further established that the roofing of the container towards the cabin had been cut open. When the scene was processed and documented by the crime scene personnel drawn from this yard, and all the cigarettes were secured at KRA Customs warehouse for custody, and the motor vehicle is still detained at Customs parking yard at ICD in Embakasi. Your Honor, one of the primary suspects was arrested in hideouts in Taita Taveta County, and he was arraigned before this court on 14th December 2025 for custodial orders that were granted. That a miscellaneous application number E835/2025 detained the suspect for 14 days pending conclusion of investigations, Your Honor. Preliminary investigations, Your Honor, has established that the first and secondary respondents are employees of Wells Fargo Company Limited. The third respondent is an employee of Kenya Revenue Authority, who is a warehouse manager at ICD in Embakasi. The fourth respondent is an employee of Vickers Security, while the fifth is believed to be a businessman within the Republic of Kenya. Only the first and the second respondents are guards deployed to man the inland container depot, business park in Embakasi. The third respondent is ICD Embakasi Customs Warehouse keeper, while the fourth respondent is Vickers Security guard deployed to man the customs warehouse. One of the KRA warehouse is based at ICD Business Park in Embakasi within Nairobi County. It's believed, Your Honor, that the theft of the cigarettes occurred in the month of October 2025 during the period when the first, second, third, and fourth respondents were on duty. It's also believed, Your Honor, that the first, second, third, and fourth, and fifth respondents personally received significant amounts of money as facilitation for the commission of the theft. Your Honor, it's urgent and necessary to effect. It was urgent and necessary to effect the arrest of the suspects who are considered as flight risk. Your Honor, the investigating team is yet to conduct a search at the respondents' residences for purposes of recovering additional exhibits. Your Honor, the electronic devices recovered from the respondents need to be subjected to forensic examination. Your Honor, I'm apprehensive that if the respondents are released, there's a likelihood that they will interfere with witnesses, destroy evidence, or abscond, as demonstrated by attempts by the first suspect who was arrested and who is in custody still. Because the first respondent, Your Honor, concealed his identity and he has switched his phone off and moved away from Nairobi. Your Honor, I pray that this Honorable Court orders the remand of the respondents at Capitol Hill Police Station, Langata Police Station, and Kamkunji Police Station within Nairobi County for 14 days without the option of bail, of cash bail, or bond, to allow the investigating team to complete investigations. interview witnesses, interrogate suspects, obtain books of accounts from Safaricom and M-Pesa, that is Safaricom and M-Pesa statements, recover more exhibits, and conduct identification parades. Your Honor, it's just and fair that this Honorable Court grants the orders sought therein. That what is deponed herein is true to the best of my knowledge, information, and belief. That's all, Your Honor.